family floss. For today I have something different for you guys. I actually have a hair tutorial on how to get these nice curls with the curling iron. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process, and it's quick. Well, it's not really, it's quick depending on your hair and how much hair you have. You can do it straight from home. All you need is shampoo, conditioner. I use the Suave shampoo and conditioner, and then I blow out my hair. I have a lot of hair, so it takes a while, and then I just curl it as I go, and it kind of gives you the new diva look impression. That's like everybody's doing the diva look now, diva curls. This is not diva curls, but you can definitely mimic it. So if you guys aren't interested in how I got this look, please keep on watching. And guys, please do not mind, I hurt myself. I kind of hurt myself earlier with my nail when I was doing my hair.
Alright guys, so here I'm using my favorite shampoo, the Avocado and Olive Oil by Suave. I love the shampoo. And I'm lathering my hair at the ends from the bottom to the top, making sure I get everything out and leave it smooth and clean before conditioning. Now I'm rinsing everything out to make sure I get all that shampoo out before I put the conditioner on my head. Now I'm using the conditioner, same brand, Suave Avocado and Olive Oil. I take a couple of pumps and I spread it on my hair and make sure that everything's spread evenly, and I wet it and get everything out. Hair's nice and smooth. I wrap it around the towel, twist, and dry. Now this is what I'm left with, a whole bunch of messy hair. So stay tuned for it, guys. Alright, so now I put the clip up, put my hair up, and then I start blow drying my hair. I take one side at a time, then I alternate to the other side, and again to the other side, making sure everything dries out evenly. Then as you can see, I have a whole bunch of hair here, and I'm trying to figure out which other side I'm going to clip up and start drying, and then I continue. And then at this point I just decided to clip all the wet hair to the front and let it air dry as much as possible. And I'm gonna start curling it with, I did a couple of strands, but then I'm gonna continue curling it with the Saran Pompada curling iron, as you can see. And this is gonna give me the bouncy curls, which I love. And I do this layer by layer. Gives it that nice bouncy effect, and I do this throughout my whole entire head. And as I mentioned before, I'm using the Saran Pompada curling iron, and I do inward and outward effect again. Opposite, I take one opposite in and the other side out, so that the curls can blend. And here I go, I'm putting my hair up in a clip again, and I'm trying to figure out what to do and how the curls are looking and what direction I want to do next. At this point I'm just grabbing my hair and just curling the ends again and just spreading it out. Again, I do have a lot of hair, so this does take me some time. And I do this throughout my whole head. And at this point I'm just tired and I'm exhausted, and of course I need a drink per usual to smooth things out a little bit. And I continue. I leave the front pieces last. Now I'm going to take a couple of the front sides and just curl that up again, and then do one side, and then I'll do the same to the opposite side. See how bouncy it looks. And I do the same, and I need to trim my ends. I realized that again, I have shorter hair on the front than on the back. and I am going to curl the middle fronts of my head or hair, however you say it. This does take time, like I said. The curling iron is set at 350, but I'm using it at 300. And do the same thing to that side. Making sure that you have like the same amount of hair on both sides. So now I'm taking the strands of the front and I'm gonna curl it so that it can give it that bang effect, like a bang, so they can give you the bang at the end to give you that diva curl impression that's in now. See that? See that bouncy curl? And do the same thing to the other side.
The curling iron definitely does curl your hair a lot. Like my hair is, it's like my hair is like up to here. My hair is like up to here, so the front of my hair is like up to here. So the curling iron did definitely curl my hair a lot. So, but it's fun. It's a different look, a different style. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your comments down below and subscribe to our channel. We are posting daily or every other day, so please stay tuned and also subscribe so that you can be part of the 100 subscriber giveaway. Don't forget again to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to our channel. Until next time, guys. Bye.